Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Great to see you again. Today, we're diving into something that might just change the game for your joints and legs. Say goodbye to that pesky swelling. If you're dealing with burning joints, tight knees, or swollen legs, you're not alone, especially here in the UK, where so many of us are on our feet a lot or dealing with the damp weather. The good news? It's not just aging at play here, it's collagen breakdown, quietly sapping your strength. Millions of us, particularly us older folks, wrestle with ongoing joint pain, swelling, and inflammation, but hardly anyone chats about the real culprit: losing collagen. Studies show that after 30, we lose about 1% of collagen every year, and by the time we hit 65, most of it's gone. Shocking, right? Even more surprising, 99% of seniors Don T know that certain fruits can kickstart collagen repair in as little as 12 hours. Yes, your body can rebuild it, but only with the right fuel. Stick with me in this video and I'll reveal the 8 most powerful collagen-rich fruits to rebuild your strength, boost mobility, and ease that swelling in your legs and joints fast. We're counting down from least to most potent, and trust me, the top fruit's a game changer. Experts, including Dr. Sarah Jarvis, a well-known GP from London, say the #1 fruit can boost skin collagen density by 24% and cut knee pain in seniors by over 42% with regular munching. No fluff here, just solid, peer-reviewed research tailored for folks like you, with all refs in the description. But before we jump in, let us have a bit of fun. Drop in the comments what fruit you can stand and how old you are. We're reading every single one and replying where we can. Your input means the world to us. Right, let's get started with fruit number 8. Kicking off at number 8, we've got kiwi. Now, I know it might look unassuming, but this little green gem is a collagen hero, especially for our joints and legs. Dr. Helen Bond, a dietitian from Nottingham, swears by it. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C, which is the key to making collagen. Without it, your body can't produce the stuff your joints, cartilage, fibers, ligaments, and tendons rely on. Low vitamin C means slower collagen production, weaker tissues, and longer recovery times, something we all notice more as we age. One medium kiwi packs over 70 millimeters of vitamin C, more than enough to spark the enzymes that turn amino acids like proline and lysine into collagen. A clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand found that eating 2 kiwis a day boosted plasma vitamin C levels by 31% in just a week, with folks reporting less stiffness and better joint movement. But wait, there's more. Kiwis also bring antioxidants and actinidin, which breaks down proteins and boosts digestion. That means more raw materials for repair, faster delivery to damaged tissues, and better nutrient uptake. For the best bang for your buck, eat it fresh in the morning, skin on if you can stomach it, as that's where most of the fiber and antioxidants hide. Pop it whole as a snack, blend it into a smoothie, or slice it into yogurt. It's a simple start for seniors dealing with knee pain, slow joint recovery, or swelling that flares up after a walk. Moving on to number 7, pineapple. This tropical treat isn't just juicy and sweet, it's a powerhouse for cutting inflammation and boosting collagen. Dr. Tim Spector, a professor at King's College London, highlights bromelain, a special enzyme in pineapple that's a game changer for leg and joint health. Beyond breaking down protein, bromelain's a natural anti-inflammatory, targeting swollen spots around knees, ankles, and hips. High inflammation slows collagen production, and swelling puts extra strain on joints, leading to stiffness. Pineapple steps in to help your body heal. A study in clinical rheumatology showed that osteoarthritis patients taking bromelain daily saw a 41% drop in knee pain and swelling within 30 days. Even cooler, a German study found bromelain supplements worked as well as common niche painkillers for knee function, without the side effects. With over 75 milligrams of vitamin C per cup and manganese to activate collagen-making enzymes, pineapple keeps the system humming. Go for ripe, fresh pineapple. Avoid sugary frozen chunks or syrupy canned versions. Eat it raw, blend it into smoothies, or toss it in salads, especially in the morning when your digestive enzymes are firing. Some even mix it with bone broth. If your knees swell after standing or legs feel tight on a walk, pineapple can ease inflammation and give collagen the space to repair. All right, let's hit number 6, papaya. This underrated fruit might be a breakfast fave for digestion, but it's a collagen superstar in disguise. Dr. Asim Malhotra, a cardiologist from London, loves its hidden gem, papain, a rare enzyme that breaks down long protein chains into amino acids your body uses to build collagen. As collagen levels drop, joint linings dry out, causing stiffness, swelling, and friction. Papaya reverses that by feeding your body the tools to create new collagen fibers, especially in tendons and ligaments. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that regular papaya eaters with chronic knee stiffness felt less pain and more flexibility in just 2 weeks. The vitamin C, flavonoids, and anti-inflammatory compounds in the flesh and seeds are the magic behind it. Eat it ripe. When that orange flesh is soft, the enzymes are ready to roll. Scoop it pure, add a squeeze of lime for extra vitamin C, or toss a few seeds into smoothies for an anti-inflammatory kick. Avoid green, unripe ones unless cooked, as they've got less enzyme power. A morning papaya or one after a walk can cut inflammation, boost collagen where your joints need it, and improve leg flexibility. All right, let's keep the good stuff rolling. We're at number 5, guava. This little beauty is a collagen-boosting champ that most of us seniors in the UK overlook. Dr. Catherine Collins, a dietitian from Surrey, can't sing its praises enough. Guavas pack up to 4 times the vitamin C of oranges, with one fruit dishing out over 200 milliliters, more than double the daily adult need. That vitamin C is like fuel for your body's repair crew, essential for collagen production. But it's not just about making new collagen. Guava's lycopene and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants, stop existing collagen from breaking down too fast. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed adults eating guava daily for 6 weeks had less joint inflammation and better skin elasticity. Researchers reckon the antioxidants cut oxidative stress in connective tissues, giving your body room to mend. Whether you've got persistent knee or ankle swelling or stiff legs after a short stroll, guava's a simple fix. Eat it raw and fresh, skin on for extra fiber and antioxidants, or slice it into smoothies with kiwi or papaya. Skip sugary guava juice, though, as it kills the anti-inflammatory perks. Pop it in your morning routine and you'll feel less swollen legs, more flexible joints, and a body better geared to repair collagen all day. Now number 4, blackberries. Don't let their small size fool you. These little gems pack a punch for reducing joint swelling and rebuilding collagen. Dr. Emma Derbyshire, a nutritionist from Manchester, loves how blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, those dark purple pigments that act as antioxidants and stop pre-existing collagen from degrading. These compounds also block enzymes that chew up connective tissue in aging joints, which ramps up swelling and stiffness. A study in the Journal of Nutrients found daily blackberry munching cut inflammatory markers linked to joint degeneration and cartilage damage by 25% in older folks. Another Oregon State University trial showed blackberries and similar anthocyanin-rich foods maintain collagen density in aging tissues, especially around knees and elbows. Plus, blackberry polyphenols boost capillary health and blood flow, getting nutrients to your legs where circulation often lags with age. Manganese in blackberries also kicks off the enzymes that build the collagen matrix for cartilage and ligaments. Go fresh. Avoid sugary frozen ones, and eat them as a snack, mix into yogurt, or blend with spinach and chia seeds. Morning blackberries can ease overnight inflammation and give your joints the antioxidant shield they need to regenerate collagen, perfect for swollen knees or aching ankles after a walk. Moving to number 3, blueberries. We all know they're brain food, but they're also top-notch for strengthening the connective tissue in your joints and legs. Dr. Ian Marber, a nutrition therapist from London, highlights their flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, which give them that rich blue color. These don't just tame inflammation, They actively preserve and restore the collagen holding your joints together. As collagen naturally fades with age, micro tears in cartilage, tendons, and ligaments cause swelling and stiffness, especially in knees and hips. Blueberries signal your body to heal that damage. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found older folks eating blueberries regularly saw a 38% boost in joint mobility and less lower body swelling in just 14 days. Another University of Maine trial showed improved blood flow to connective tissues, delivering more collagen-building ingredients to knees, calves, and ankles. With vitamin C and manganese for collagen synthesis, plus fiber to balance blood sugar and cut inflammation, blueberries are a winner. Go for wild ones if you can. Their antioxidant power doubles that of cultivated types. Eat them by the handful, blend into smoothies, or mix with porridge. Avoid sugary packaged versions. Regular blueberries can ease inflammation and give your joints the collagen support they need for freer movement if your legs swell or tighten during the day. Number 2. Strawberries. Beyond being a tasty treat, they're a hidden gem for joint healing and leg collagen restoration. Dr. Pixie McKenna, a familiar face from UK TV, loves how strawberries bring ellagic acid, vitamin C, and antioxidants that specifically halt collagen fiber breakdown. Enzymes called collagenases kick in when joints swell, weakening the cartilage and ligaments that keep you steady. By blocking those enzymes, strawberries let your body heal instead of just reacting. A clinical trial in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed people with knee osteoarthritis eating strawberries daily cut inflammatory biomarkers by 37% and improved joint pain in just 2 weeks. Another study found strawberries boosted skin elasticity and slowed collagen loss in older folks, strengthening the framework for ankles, hips, and knees. Manganese in strawberries also teams up with vitamin C to form robust, flexible collagen strands. Eat them fresh and organic, with the green top on, ideally in the morning or after a light walk when blood flows up. Blend into smoothies or enjoy solo. Skip processed stuff like canned fillings or jams with sugar that kills the anti-inflammatory edge. 1 cup a day can ease swelling and stiffness, giving your joints the collagen-making nudge they need if legs swell by evening or knees feel tight. All right, let's wrap this up with the big one. Number 1, drum roll please, it's amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This tiny green berry is the ultimate champ for slashing leg and joint swelling while rebuilding collagen, yet 99% of us in the UK have never even tried it. Dr. Michael Mosley, the beloved BBC health guru, calls amla one of nature's best collagen boosters. It's packed with vitamin C, but here's the kicker. Its vitamin C pairs with potent plant polyphenols, making it more stable and absorbable than citrus fruits. Just 1 small serving gives your body a longer-lasting collagen-building boost. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen formation, and amla goes further by promoting fibroblast growth, the cells in your skin, tendons, and joints that spin new collagen strands, while blocking enzymes that break collagen down during inflammation. A study in clinical interventions in aging found folks taking amla extract daily for 12 weeks saw a 42% drop in knee pain and swelling. Even better, a skin biopsy showed a 24% jump in collagen flexibility and density, proving amla rebuilds structure, not just masks symptoms. Another Indian study showed regular amla use boosted muscle strength and leg mobility in arthritis patients. Plus, its gallic acid and quercetin tackle oxidative stress around joints, especially after a walk or exercise. For the best results, try amla as juice or powder. Add it to smoothies or water since it's pretty sour fresh. Many prefer it powdered or dried. Mix a teaspoon with warm water, lemon, and honey in the morning for a real kick. If you go fresh, slice it and soak in salt water overnight to tame the taste. Amla kicks in fast. Many seniors report less morning stiffness, reduced knee and ankle swelling, and smoother movement within days. It's the deepest, fastest fruit for protecting and restoring collagen. Perfect if you're noticing stiffness, puffiness, or that crackling sound when bending your knees. Ignoring collagen loss just makes it worse, but now you know the truth. So, there you have it. 8 powerhouse fruits that do more than just ease swelling. They help your body rebuild the core framework, keeping your legs and joints flexible and pain-free. This isn't guesswork. Every fruit here is backed by real clinical trials with real people and results. It's science, not theory, and it works quick. Within 12 to 48 hours, you could feel less morning pain, better knee range, and lighter legs when walking if you start with 2 or 3 daily. Add amla, the top dog, and you're golden. Tell us in the comments which fruit you were trying first. We read everyone and reply where we can. If this helped, share it with someone who needs it. You might save them years of stiffness and joint ache. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video so you don't miss more tips. We're here for you on this health journey, which is just beginning. Catch you in the next one. Drop any questions below, and thanks for watching.